A big hello to everyone. I'm Rushika Hati, public speaker, corporate trainer, author, and a life coach. I am from Team Monomosumi. Yes, so Monomosumi is the best writing platform where you can express your feelings into the words. So I'm very much excited today because we have a very young winner of one of our essay contest organized by us. So she is Miss Prabhalini Mishra. She is 14 years old and she has done very good things into the writing. So we would have Prabhalini with us. Welcome Prabhalini with the interview session with Mona Masumi.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. I would love to explore more about you. So my first question to you is, how did you got to know about Monomasumi platform that it is into the essay writing and many more like creative writing and everything?
In the lockdown, I was not really exposed to many competitions. So I scrolled on internet and I found many competitions. However, all the competition were seeking entries for pandemic. And then I found Monomosumi, who had a very creative topic. Then I was like, okay, this is the one, and I started writing on Monomosumi.
Wow, that's great. So this pandemic or a lockdown has helped you into the writing also, right? So first of all, a big thank you for choosing us into the essay writing contest, right? So now, what fled your passion exactly for writing?
I think it is my tuition teacher and my uncle.
Okay.
They inspired me. My uncle used to give me storybooks when I was little, and yeah, this really ignited me to write about things.
Okay. Fine. And who is your great motivation for pushing you up always for the writing?
Yeah. I told you it's my tuition teacher. He used to help me a lot in my writing,
Okay.
and he had also guided me to write the Monomosumi essay writing.
Okay, that's super, Prabhalini, right? So now, who is your favorite author? I think you are reading from the childhood, right? So who is your favorite author, and what made you to read his or her books?
It just keeps changing. But currently it is Roald Dahl because he just makes fiction so real in his books, and I love
Yes.
them.
Fine. That's so good. And do you have like you are the winner of the essay contest? So do you have any? I can say any tips for someone who has just started writing or who want to pursue into the writing, or I can say budding writer rather.
Um, be informative about the essay. For this, Google Scholar is a great site, and then be precise because everyone in this world is very busy. And third, work hard.
Yeah, that's so short and sweet, right? And it covers entire thing you wanted to highlight. So, what exactly, like, do you have any future plans into the writing, or you only want to go for the contest or anything? Any publishing thing going in the mind? Can you tell me something about that?
Um, yeah, I've not really thought about publishing things because I think that I'm still growing up. I'm not
Yeah.
yet experienced enough to publish something. And I want to improve my writing skills now with these competitions. And when I feel like I am enough to write a book or enough to publish something, I will definitely do that.
Yes. But Prabhalini, it's a very big thing for all of us that at this age you are writing so gracefully. Like you have that flow, right? Each and every writer has its own flow of writing. So you really writing very beautifully. And do you have any book recommendations for the writers or someone who wants to improve their writing skills? Any book recommendations?
Um, I don't have any particular book type, but I would like to recommend that just find your own book type. For me, I am someone who loves fictional books, but most of my friends like autobiographies and all, because they find them inspiring, and I find them very, very boring. So when you choose the right book, and the book interests you, it will definitely bring a change in you. So just find your own book type.
Okay. Yeah, as you are right that everybody has their own choice, their own taste, right? So it's up to somebody else who wants, somebody loves fiction, non-fiction. It's their own choice. Yeah, right. And even I would like to say you here is that when I chose my profession of public speaking, even for even I am into the writing. I write blogs. I have also written a book. It is published in just December 2019. So what I used to do is that for practicing and knowing more about that how I write and how people would love or not, even I was like you only, I was googling the things and I found the monomasumi, and I started participating in each and every essay contest. So at first go I was into the praiseworthy thing, because monomasumi is a very very creative thing of giving a number also, like praiseworthy and up to 75%, and this 3 2 1. So everybody's efforts counts. So this is a big thing. And then when even I was not at that time telling that I am a speaker and all, because I wanted to know that how I am writing, so improving my skills, I did the same. And Prabhalini, the best thing was that if I win the prize and that 100 rupees in the Paytm is so, I feel so good, right? So this is all about my thing also, right? So what is your
Yeah, yeah.
opinion?
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you so much. So Prabhalini, what is your opinion about reading? Like, do you think reading and writing both are the equivalent thing?
Yes, reading definitely helps you to develop your writing. It's just spreads up your mind. It just opens up your mind. And not only reading books, I also read many blogs. As you said, you also write blogs. I also read many blogs, and from books, I mainly read blogs. I don't really read books. I haven't really read much books. So reading blogs is a great thing for me. It has like developed my writing skills mostly. So reading is definitely a good choice if you want to start writing.
Yes, of course. And one thing, one word you say is that in this fast growing era, nobody has time, right? So you should be very much precise in the writing. And sometimes somebody who is just budding into the writing things or doing something creative into the writing, they do like the long paragraphs and everything. So you are right that people won't complete, because still you are not a well-known author, people won't read the entire things. So this point is very much important according to me as well as Prabhalini, that you should be very much precise into the writing, right? So do you think the language matters? Because in India people are not that much aware about the English language, like they don't have much vocabulary. So if we keep very much using that big words, I can say, they would read, but if they won't understand few words, they would quit reading. So what do you have anything about reading, sorry, anything about language thing? Would you like to share something on that?
Yeah, language is a thing that is very hard to decode. For a person to person, it differs.
Correct.
For me, I feel like when I mostly write in English, so when I write in English, I make sure that the writing is interesting, and the writing could be readable by all. So I use the language in such a way that is kind of a medium, has a medium stage, so that everybody can read. And the how I use my language is how I attract the readers to read my blog or my essay. So be medium, don't use too much of words. uh, it just makes your writing more readable by everyone.
So Prabhalin, you write only in English, or do you have any other language preference also into the writing?
I can't write in Hindi because I'm from Odisha and I'm not really prone to the language Hindi, but I do write in Odia. However, not much as English, but I have written some things about Odia.
That's so good, and that's all the writers would go for that English writing only because it is globally accepted language, right? So if we write in our native language, also sometimes it gives us that feeling of that it touches our heart in a very good way.
Yeah.
So very good that you write in other language too. So now, Prabhalini, as you are the winner of our essay contest, so what quality a good essay should have? What according to you it is?
I think it should be informative, short, and it should make the reader think about it for some time. Like it should kind of influence one's mind, change their perspective, and yeah.
Okay, great. So something, whatever like we are writing, it should change the mind. That is what I like. The line you said here is great, great, Prabhalini. So, what was the topic you were given when you win this contest with us? What was that topic, and how interesting it was to write on the same?
So the topic was a hobby which can lead to your dream job,
Okay.
and I am like kind of more into fashion this time. So I was like, okay, I know about fashion very much, so I should share my information with other people, and I should write about it. So I wrote about fashion blogging.
Wow, that's so good. And Prabhalini, I would love to give you one information about Monomosume is also that they have their own magazine, Weaver, and even they give chance to the budding people who loves writing, who want to share their or express their feelings for being in co-author of a book, right? So I also started with the cocktail creatives. Even I have one my article published into that. So you also in future you go for that also. You will be getting the mail from our side. So this is just an information to tell you that when your write up comes into the in the form of a book, it gives an immense pleasure, right? So this is what
Yeah,
about
yeah.
Mona
Thank you so
Moshumi.
much.
And last question I would love to know from you is any message you would like to give to our writers, students, or the future participants with us?
Um, I think you should work hard, keep writing, because if even if you don't get the prize or the anything that you were working for, you would definitely gain some knowledge that is really really important. You learn something, and that is what I believe. I write for a competition not to get the prize, but the information.
Even more practice makes us perfect, as it is rightly said by someone. So that's super knowing about you, Prabhalini, and you are very into an energetic person, and you are a very motivating kind of a girl. You are inspiration to all the youngsters that at this age, if she can write and win the prize, nobody can stop you. You are really unstoppable. So thank you so much joining us with this interview session. And would you like to tell us anything, your views or something else?
All I want to say is thank you to Mona Mosumi to give this amazing opportunity. I can express my self through Mona Mosumi, and that is why I have a big thank you for it.
Thank you so much, and we are very glad that you are part of us now. And thank you so much, Prabhalini. Thank you so much, every viewers or everybody who is listening to us. I, Rushika Hathi, with Monomasumi, we are coming with the another interview, and all the very best, Prabhalini, for the future. See you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.